Alright guys, welcome back to another futures trade plan. Today is the 19th. This is going to be the trade plan for the 20th of October. If you watched yesterday's trade plan, you would have had a pretty good idea of what to expect today and what to do. Okay, so as I mentioned yesterday, if we couldn't get above this point of control, it was more likely that we went to the downside and possibly explored these imbalances down here. So we have a gap right in the point of control that needed to be traded back into, which is pretty much what we did. So this is really nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, you guys can see how we struggled up here. We only got up a little bit, right, and that looks like this, right? We just kind of came up a little bit, and then we just completely went below the low of the day at the time, right, which is right here at 11,896. So we just took out the low day. So at this point, you're starting to think, okay, the buyers are kind of failing, and you are looking for shorts. Okay. Going into tomorrow, and just to cover the other ones. The other ones pretty much did the exact same thing. The ES didn't even reach anything above that point of control, so as you can see. And then the YM, same thing, just kind of came a little bit short behind it or below it. But anyways, going into tomorrow's session, we are expecting the same idea with the point of control. Okay, we are going to be above bullish, below it bearish. Okay, we no longer need these gaps. Okay, these are filled, these are fixed. Okay, so the only thing really is going to be this imbalance right here. Okay, and if you don't know, what do you do when the prices are inside imbalances? You expect rotation. Imbalances like to be filled. You guys see how there's one singular TPO here, and it's three wide over here. It's 1, 2, 3, right? And it's just one line here, one row of numbers, right? One TPO wide. Okay, usually the market doesn't like to be just a single print, right? It likes to be pretty wide. It likes to be a proper distribution. And so whenever prices come inside here, you expect rotation inside the zone. Okay? So just keep an eye out for that if we trade inside it. Okay, I'm going to mark it out in balance. Alright. Imbalance right here. So this area. Okay, a point of control right there, and then a point of control below for us to look at to the downside. Alright, that's going to be pretty much it for the NQ. Now let's move on to the ES. Okay, we took out this swing low right here. So we took out all the buyers that were in the market from the 15th. Okay, that's going to stay there. Okay, we barely touched that one. Okay, and now we're going to use this point of control as our line in the sand. Point of control, above it we are bullish. Okay, we also have the imbalances just as on the NQ. Again, expect rotation inside that. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Again, point of control below, another imbalance below, and that's pretty much it for the ES. Now last but not least, we're going to look at the YM, the Dow. Okay, we have an imbalance here too. Keep an eye out for that. Alright, perfect. And now the last thing, the point of control, as you guys know. Point of control above, we are bullish, below it, we're bearish. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about what I just covered, you guys know where to find me. Just hit me up on the free futures chat, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.